Imagine a world where science and technology come together to solve some of the most pressing challenges we face today. Welcome to the fascinating realm of biotechnology. From life-saving drugs to genetically modified crops, biotechnology is at the forefront of innovation. But what exactly is biotechnology? At its core, biotechnology leverages living systems and organisms to create products and technologies that enhance our quality of life. Join us as we delve into the wonders of this incredible field and discover how it impacts our daily lives. Biotechnology, a field that integrates biology with technology, has ancient roots. We have been leveraging biological systems for millennia. Consider fermentation, a metabolic process we utilize in the production of bread, wine, and beer. Even the selective breeding of flora and fauna represents an early application of biotechnological principles. The 20th century marked a pivotal era, with the elucidation of DNA structure, propelling biotechnology forward. The 1970s witnessed the advent of genetically modified organisms, a groundbreaking milestone. And thus, the era of modern biotechnology commenced. Let's delve into the most prominent domain, medical biotechnology. This discipline focuses on the innovation of therapeutic and diagnostic tools that have the potential to revolutionize healthcare. Consider insulin, for example. Initially extracted from animal pancreases, it is now synthesized in vast quantities using recombinant DNA technology in genetically modified bacteria. Another groundbreaking area is gene therapy, which allows for the rectification of defective genes at the molecular level. Additionally, CRISPR-Cas9 technology represents a paradigm shift, enabling precise genome editing with unprecedented accuracy. Envision the possibility of treating or even curing genetic disorders through these advanced methodologies. Transitioning to agricultural biotechnology, we have engineered genetically modified crops such as Bt cotton, which inherently resists insect pests, and golden rice, biofortified with vitamin A to combat malnutrition. Biotechnology is integral to precision agriculture, where advanced technologies like drones and sensors provide real-time crop monitoring, thereby optimizing yield and sustainability. Lastly, industrial biotechnology harnesses microorganisms to produce biofuels, offering a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. Furthermore, biotechnology is pivotal in the development of biodegradable plastics, which could significantly alter waste management and reduce environmental pollution. One of the most groundbreaking areas of medical biotechnology is personalized medicine. This paradigm leverages genomic data to customize therapeutic interventions. For instance, oncology patients can now receive pharmacological treatments that target specific oncogenic mutations within their neoplasms, thereby enhancing therapeutic efficacy and minimizing adverse effects. We might be familiar with DNA ancestry tests. They utilize the same genomic sequencing technologies to elucidate our genealogical origins. Biotechnology was pivotal in the expedited development of mRNA vaccines during the COVID-19 pandemic. These vaccines employ messenger RNA to instruct cells to synthesize a viral protein, thereby eliciting an immune response without the need for live virus. Biotechnology is also instrumental in the development of plant-based meat analogs, such as those produced by Impossible Foods, which utilize genetically engineered heme proteins to replicate the organoleptic properties of animal meat. Companies are leveraging biotechnology to innovate biodegradable packaging solutions, thereby contributing to waste reduction and environmental sustainability. As demonstrated, biotechnology is revolutionizing fields such as medicine, agriculture, and environmental conservation. These technological advancements are not only enhancing quality of life, but also addressing global challenges that were once deemed insurmountable. The future of biotechnology is boundless. As we continue to decode the molecular intricacies of life, we are paving the way for innovations that will profoundly influence the trajectory of human civilization. It is indeed a thrilling epoch to witness these scientific breakthroughs. One of the most revolutionary tools in contemporary biotechnology is CRISPR-Cas9, a genome editing technology that allows for highly precise modifications of DNA sequences. This technology holds the potential to rectify genetic anomalies, such as those causing sickle cell anemia, through targeted DNA edits. Looking ahead, we may not only modify existing organisms, but also engineer entirely novel life forms. Synthetic biology enables the creation of new biological entities or the redesign of existing biological systems to perform specific functions, such as biofuel production, environmental remediation, or pharmaceutical synthesis. Imagine the possibilities if we could fabricate human organs using 3D bioprinting technology. Currently, 3D bioprinting is being utilized to create tissue patches capable of repairing damaged cardiac or hepatic tissues. In the near future, we may witness the bioprinting of entire organs for transplantation purposes. The horizon of biotechnology is bound only by the limits of our creativity and scientific inquiry. The potential breakthroughs are boundless. As you can see, biotechnology encompasses a vast array of scientific disciplines, each contributing to the advancement of our understanding and manipulation of biological systems. From groundbreaking medical therapies to sustainable agricultural practices and innovative industrial bioprocesses, the future of biotechnology holds immense promise. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the multifaceted world of biotechnology. Enjoyed the video? Then smash that like button and help us spread the biotech love. Share it with your fellow science geeks, and let's build this community. Don't miss the next big discovery. Subscribe now and hit that bell. The future of biotech is just getting started. Let's explore it together. See you next time.